You know, many years ago in DOS there was a program, I think it was in TeleWrite or something similar. The possibility of changing words or word sequences or special codes or something into something understandable was something I incorporated it in a program by myself back in, I think the original one was about in 2005 or 2006 or somewhere, and then here was one of the earliest ones I tried to convert into Visual Studio, but it doesn't really work. It doesn't really work the way. There you can see there's one in 2009 which was updated, and I think if I go with a date, this, okay, that is 2022, so let's go down that way. There's 2005, so you can say I started the program in about 2005. That is that is very long time ago. Oh yeah. So, and I decided, okay, let's incorporate it in my current program as well. So there's just how to add and stuff like that. So when you run this, my program changed a lot in the past few days, where you can see something was moved around and how it has a spell checking or a spell list. Actually, it's not a full-blown spell checker, and just make sure and make a list of words that's not inside the list, and this you can find over here, but it's not going to work. You need to load something. So to show you how this program is working, this function is working to change set words or set rules. So when I say okay, I told myself to add this so that you can see how it works. So what I'm doing on this side is say FB26 must be changed into this, and you add it to the list. Now this list is supposed to be sorted, but I was busy working on a new or a different concept, but it didn't work out so nicely. So yes, I can actually sort this list now. So when you do the automatic on that one, that pass, this is this one here, point and shoot. So but the normal reader will not know about this. So let's say I take this out again and save the file, and then when you run your spell checker, you have the option to say you can add your automatic replace word rules. So when you do this, you can just say start, and okay, this is now Afrikaans, so let's go back and make it the English dictionary, which are totally empty. So each word you have to add into the list before it will work, and so there we add it, and now that auto replace function is activated. So let's see how it does it. And point and shoot wasn't available in TeleWrite, was a program, blah, 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 blah. And if you believe everything is 100% correct, you can just say capture all this word automatically. So is very quick, and as you can see, the FB26 was changed into FB_Writer26. Now this is what this function is doing, these two. If you're not sure that the words are 100% correct, you don't activate the auto. So you can any place decide where you want to. You can say do the program check from around here, and you can just say select it from here and go forward, and almost immediately you will see, okay, no, that word is wrong, so you can just say replace the word, and okay, there's also one Y, blah 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 and stuff like that, just to show you it's working fine. Yes, and that is the automatic word replacement rules. As you can see, on this side you can see no spaces, and also it's case sensitive. A capital A and a lowercase a differs from each other, and this one is the replace or change with this equation or this text or this word or whatever. Here you can put in spaces if you want to, as you can see over there. Yes, that is nice. The program is working 100% how I want to work it. No problems. Just say it's short, make it sorting over there, and that is how it works. As you can see, there's even edit and delete word options. You can select words and change it accordingly. Just some short thing to show how it works. I use the split function. You don't see the split function over here, but you will see the split function in 2040, somewhere around here. You will see the split function over here. There is the split function which I use to get the word I'm searching for, or if this word is over here. The thing was with this, where to continue afterwards, so I had to put it over here. So it's a strange concept, and it's very, you have to build and test and build and test. It takes you forever to do a thing, and it was tested on large documents, mostly in Afrikaans. Stories I'm busy writing, and stories I'm already my last story I finished last night, and like this one, I don't want to give the story away. But yes, I was working on this, and even everything is working 100% accordingly to the spell checkers and whatever you want to call it, automatic replacement or word replacement. Thanks, enjoy.